Thank you and hello. My name is Daniel, and I'm the product manager of the core team at Refined, working on features for both cloud and data center Refined products. Today, I'd like to share a new and exciting page builder, which will replace the current layout editor. This is our next big step in the what you see is what you get site building experience. I'd like to start with an introduction to the new page builder before showing you how the page builder can be used to create new unique designs. Lastly, I'll share you some information on what you can expect depending on which Refined product you are using. We've been listening carefully to the feedback that you've been sharing with us. With this feedback in mind, we set out to deliver a new page building experience. It's designed to make working with pages faster and easier, but also to allow you to create new, more fluid designs. The new page builder is a what you see is what you get editor, meaning the published page will look exactly as you see in the page builder. See how we're in the page builder? And when we click on the publish, the page looks exactly as what we saw on the page builder. The page builder is easy to use. Simply drag and drop your modules or anything else to where you want it to be. See how easy it is to rearrange your page structure. With the added functionality of undo and redo, it's easy to experiment with your designs. Not happy? Simply undo with the click of a button or with our handy new keyboard shortcuts. The new page builder provides new capabilities that allows one to create new, unique designs. Backgrounds can be set on sections and modules. Colors, gradients, images, it's all possible. In the example image, you can see backgrounds set to different modules and sections. The new page builder will have a different structure, which allows for more control over your content. Rows, as highlighted in the image here, have been added to sections. This allows for more flexibility with the newly added backgrounds, in addition to more flexibility with view permissions. The text editor has also gotten an upgrade, and almost all text can now be edited to change color, font size, alignment, and more. This applies to almost any text in the available modules. It's easier than ever to personalize the site around your end users. Text variables are now easily accessible in the text editor and give you direct feedback on which are available and what content they contain. For example, this makes it extra easy to create a welcome message. In this example, the style of a marketing page is adjusted. A background color is changed. The spacing is changed. And the text will be changed in all just a few clicks. As you can see, it's quick and easy to build and maintain your page with many more options available to brand the site as your own. With our available modules, you'll be able to transform this to an intranet page by adding request types, or inform users on the progress of a project by adding a Jira issues module, and so on. It's drastically easier and more intuitive than ever to branch out and build different sites in Refined. The page builder rollout will start for Refined for Cloud customers in Q2. The beta will allow customers to use both the old and new page builder at the same time and switch freely between them. Soon there will be support for using old pages in the new page builder, which are converted automatically. The rollout is phased, meaning customers will get access in groups over time. If you wish to participate but don't have access yet, please go to team23.refined.com and click Enroll in the page builder beta. Refined for Jira Data Center will be the next Refined product to receive the new page builder. The rollout will start later this year. In the future, we have many improvements planned. We're going to give you even more tools to create more designs effortlessly. Keep giving us feedback. We appreciate you sharing your thoughts with us and use this to improve Refine further. In Refine for Cloud, find our new feedback button in the admin Refine site on the right-hand side to give feedback while you're using Refine, or give feedback on help.refine.com under Get Support. Thank you for your time. Are there any questions?
Thanks, Daniel. We have one from Martin. He says, can you save your page layouts as templates?
That won't be currently available. It's one of the considerations for further improvements.
Great. All right, well, thank you, Daniel. Exciting to see the page builder.